Listen, man. Right now, you might feel like everything's shattered. You're sitting there wondering, how did it all fall apart so fast? But here's the truth. Nobody tells you. She didn't break you, bro. She revealed you. She revealed the parts of you that were still wounded, still craving, still searching for someone else to complete you. That's the real pain. Not her leaving, but being forced to meet the unhealed parts of yourself face to face. And you know what? That's your blessing. Because now you get to build something real. Not for her, not to prove anything to anyone. For you. Today isn't about heartbreak, it's about rebirth. Let's talk about what really happens when you finally stop seeing her as the loss and start seeing her as the lesson. Point 1. She didn't betray you. She exposed where you needed stronger boundaries. Bro, let's be real for a second. She didn't betray you the way you think she did. She just exposed the parts of you that needed to be tougher. See, it's easy to think, she hurt me, she blindsided me. And yeah, it feels that way. But deep down, you already saw the signs. You saw the little moments she pulled back. You saw the disrespect. You saw the way your gut was screaming that something was off. But you stayed, didn't you? You gave more. You bent your own rules just to keep her happy, hoping she'd see your worth. And bro, that's the real wound. Not that she left, but that you kept handing yourself over to someone who didn't deserve it. Her walking away didn't ruin you. It just pulled the curtain back and showed you where your boundaries were too soft, where you were giving love, hoping to be chosen, instead of loving yourself enough to walk away first. It sucks, I know, but honestly, it's the best wake-up call you could have gotten, because now you're not fixing her. You're fixing the places inside you where you stopped protecting your own heart. And that's where the real healing starts, bro. Point 2. Pain isn't proof. You're weak, it's proof you had heart. Bro, let's clear something up right now. Feeling this pain you're going through, it doesn't make you weak. It proves you had the guts to actually show up with a real heart. You cared. You loved without holding back. You gave someone access to parts of you that most people never even get close to. That's not weakness, like that's strength. Most people are too scared to even try. Yeah, it hurts like hell when it doesn't work out. Yeah, it feels like you got played for being real, but feeling this much right now, that's the price of being genuine in a world full of people playing games. And bro, don't let anyone, not her, not your friends, not your own doubts, tell you that you lost because it hurts. You didn't lose. You just cared more than someone who wasn't ready for it. The pain you're feeling isn't a failure. It's a reminder that you showed up with a real soul, and if anything, that makes you dangerous in the best way. Now it's about where you take that heart next. Not everybody deserves it. Point 3. Her silence isn't confusion, it's clarity. Bro, you keep thinking her silence is confusing, like maybe she's just busy, maybe she's thinking it through, maybe she needs more time. Nah, man, silence is clarity. When someone really wants you, you don't have to wonder. You don't have to sit there second guessing if you said the wrong thing or if you need to do more. When a woman pulls back, when she goes quiet, she's already answered the question you're scared to ask. The hard truth is, people don't confuse who they want. They confuse who they're not sure about. And I know it stings, bro. I know you're sitting there refreshing your messages, waiting for a hey that never comes. But you gotta hear me. Her silence is your green light to stop waiting. It's not an attack. It's not a personal loss. It's a clear sign. She's not your person. And honestly, that's a blessing in disguise, because now you can stop hanging on to maybes and start building a life that's way too full for someone who couldn't even find the words to stay. Point 4, you're not falling apart. You're finally breaking free. Bro, I know it feels like you're falling apart right now. I know it feels like your chest is heavy, your mind is racing, like you're stuck in this loop you can't get out of. But hear me, you're not falling apart, you're finally breaking free. You're breaking free from the version of you that thought you needed her to feel enough. You're breaking free from the habits that made you put her on a pedestal while you forgot your own damn value. All that weight you're feeling, it's not weakness, it's everything that was never supposed to stay in you, leaving. You're shedding the part of yourself that begged for breadcrumbs. You're letting go of the version of you that kept apologizing just to keep someone around. It's ugly. It's messy. It hurts like hell. But bro, it's necessary, because the version of you that's about to rise from this, He's colder, he's sharper, he's done explaining himself to people who never deserved him in the first place. This isn't the end of you, man. It's the end of who you had to be just to survive her, and that's a damn good thing. Point 5, stop waiting for closure. She'll never give you. Bro, if you're still sitting there hoping for some long text, some apology, some deep conversation that will magically fix everything in your head, you're setting yourself up for more pain. Closure isn't something she's gonna give you. And honestly, even if she did, it wouldn't fix what you're feeling right now. Because the real closure, it's not her explaining why she changed. It's you finally accepting that you deserve better without needing her to confirm it. Every time you wait for her to say something to make you feel better, you're giving her permission to keep controlling your peace. You're better than that, bro. Closure ain't something you sit around waiting for. Closure is a decision you make. It's you saying, I get it. I see it for what it is. I don't need another word from you. I'm good. The second you stop needing answers from her, you start giving peace back to yourself. And that's the kind of strength that makes people regret ever doubting you. Point 6. You're not here to be chased. You're here to be chosen. Bro, hear me loud on this. You were never put here to beg for love. You're not built to chase after someone just to feel enough. You're here to be chosen by the right one. You don't chase what's meant for you. You don't have to force it. You don't have to bend over backwards just to make her see your worth. The woman who's truly for you, you won't have to explain your value. She'll feel it the moment you walk in the room. In your silence, your energy, your focus. Right now, it feels like you lost something huge, but truth is, you're just clearing space. Space for someone who actually sees you without needing to be convinced. The second you stop chasing approval, stop waiting for a text, stop hoping she changes, you step into your real power. You're not the man who begs. You're the man who becomes so solid within himself that only the real ones can even reach him. Let her go, bro. Let her lose you. Because the man you're building right now, he's a blessing she's never gonna get another shot at. So hear me, bro. She didn't break you. She revealed you. And the version of you that rises from this, that man isn't just healed, he's unstoppable. You ready? Then stop looking back. It's time to rebuild. It's time to evolve.